Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I kind of want to stop doing that high pitch thing, but anyway. 16th of May, I have hit 4 lakh subscribers on YouTube, which is a pretty big deal for me. Like, numbers are a pretty big deal for me anyway, irrespective of how big or small they are. So I just quickly wanted to film this little clip before you continue watching the whole video. I just wanted to come and tell you I'm so thankful and so appreciative because you guys have been so sweet, and your comments, your messages, your speed of watching my videos, it's insane right now. I just wanted to tell you that I love you all, and I hope that this love continues and this family keeps growing, and new nail polish for 400k. Just kidding. I just had to change that color, but anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 400k. I love you all, and also I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna let you continue for the rest of the video. So I hope you enjoy. Love you all lots. Thank you again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I kind of want to stop doing that high pitch thing, but anyway. You've read by the title, you already know what's happening. This one part of my hair now is super uneven and we have to cut it because I think Khushi cut my hair and they've grown like really fast. I need to do like a trim again with Khushi. Let's get on to today's video. So we are about to begin because most requested me and Paki should do vice versa. So I thought it would be more fun to see which one out of the 4 of us knows Paki better. My mom better. People were getting offended. Please call her mom, not Paki. So here you go. So I told her that she has to give 15 questions and थोड़ा easy peasy because जैसे she asks कि मेरे बचपन में गली में कौन रहता था मेरे बाप वो सब हमको नहीं पता. So स्मार्ट है ना हनी के अपने टाइम में सिर्फ मेरे को आंसर करना था. अभी 4 को बैठ गया. I'm very nervous but तो फिर भी हमको नहीं पता है. Okay, ready. 1, 2 क्वेश्चन तो बोलो. क्वेश्चन बोलना है. ये क्वेश्चन है. हाँ तो उसके बाद में तो ऊपर हो ही जाएगा. तुम लोग का क्वेश्चन 1 2 3 उसके बाद थोड़ी ना करूंगी. My lucky number. पर हनी ने पहले हाथ ऐसे ऊपर उठाया था मुझे लगा 5 yes I was going to say 7. Thank God. Loser. Yay, 1 point. Yes, she next 1 point. My phobia. बाकी तुम इधर देखो. ये तीनों में टाई हुआ है एक्चुअली. तुम तीनों का हाथ एक ही टाइम पे ऊपर गया है. ऐसे कैसे? So, अरे हुआ है. कुछ करो. Let's do okay. हाँ, chutli. Majority whatever. Majority wins. How wins loses? तू ईशा. नहीं, I am the no. Majority wins. This is majority. तो अभी हम दोनों में होगा. हम दोनों में copy the dinner. Somebody else. I will come now. But you are not in the game. हाँ, समझी. Copy the dinner. Honey wins. Oh, really? Okay. I'll answer. Yes. Darkness. Oh shit. Yes. Questions so easy hai. Yeah. Okay. One thing that's become my necessity right now. डींगी ने एकदम properly हाथ ऊपर उठाया, so first chance मैं उसको दूंगी. Water. Right now, na? You said right now, right? Right now. Nothing like right now. No, nothing like right now. I said thing. That has become your necessity. Yeah. हो गया तुम्हारा chance. No, you said right now first. So now we're moving right now in general. No, in right now. तुम्हें right now बोला. Thing मतलब क्या होता है? Thing मतलब it's a thing. Okay. Go on. Come on. No chances gone. Go. Sanitizer. No. Mask. है ना? No. एक मिनट. तुमको आंसर पता है क्या? हाँ. तुम ऐसी. Okay. Now I'll give a clue. Without that, it becomes difficult for me to grasp things. मेरा भी हाथ राइट. तुम्हारा क्या करेगा? तो हिंट के बाद तो सबका स्पेक्स. I
raise my hand. No, keep your hand up.
खुशी, don't peep up.
ऐसा पड़ेगा ना।
People, keep your hand up.
People, what's my mantra about life?
I have no idea.
Hey, you have many mantras.
Yeah.
Like,
Always keep working hard.
No, wrong.
अरे यार,
Just yeah, it's more of proverbs में आता है ना वो एक.
I'm gonna look like such a bad daughter after this.
क्या ईशा looks बोले daughters?
if you are young at heart, it will reflect in your well-being. Your way you are.
Wrong.
She said
Well
it.
tried.
Minus one.
One more clue. It's only 2 words.
My hand. Stay positive.
Stay positive. It's stay positive. It's be positive actually, but I give it to you.
You know, Okay, I'll tell you.
I will not play with you.
You said work hard. वो stay positive. Please. Corona के time पे Paki's mantra is
Garam pani.
Haldi kada.
Can I say my question?
Oh, sorry.
You guys are done.
Yeah.
I'm missing the most.
Casper.
अरे यार, I also knew this, but I don't know why I didn't raise my hand.
एक तो तुम statement की तरह बोले I miss him most. मुझे लगा कुछ होगा.
Name of the first Punjabi movie that I did. Dingy.
कुद्दे सर.
Right.
मुझे क्या लगा पंजाबी एक्टर बोले कि मेरा ध्यान भी नहीं आया.
हाथ नीचे. My stress buster.
Not me.
First Ashna. Second Asha.
मुझे नहीं पता answer. But okay. Music / cleaning. खुद का answer है last में.
तभी बाकी
Completely wrong. You said same answer है हम
That
दोनों.
like the video you said that ये
मेरे वीडियो में तुमने बोला यही है.
क्या?
Music / cleaning.
If I'm upset, what is something that helps make my mood better?
Music. I was actually trying to connect because even I am the same.
Yeah, when she said उसका है तभी you said
तुमने बोला yeah it's my
that might be something.
Second was her, then your chance.
Cooking,
Wrong.
पूजा करना,
मुझे करना.
Exercise.
Give us this na hint.
Hint.
First alphabet
It,
बोलो.
everyone loves to. Everyone loves to.
ये क्या है? Drinking.
TV shows.
Everyone loves to.
Everyone loves to TV show.
Everyone loves to do that.
All of you love.
Dancing. है ना?
कुछ भी.
अरे कुछ भी क्या है? My stress buster. You know, whenever I feel low or whenever
मेरे वीडियो
I feel happy. झूठ नहीं बोला है. That is one of my stress buster. That is one of my stress buster.
Don't see the questions
I'm
from there.
not seeing यार. I'm कब से looking there so that I don't see the question by the way.
Good girl, यार. Good girl.
She's
Tension मत
a
लो.
good girl. Yeah.
So name my. Listen to it fully. 2 चीजें हैं उसमें. तो दोनों चीजें सुन लो और उसके बाद में फिर हाथ ऊपर उठाना. Okay. My favorite holiday destination and work destination abroad. कौन कहता पहले?
I don't know.
Dingy.
I did that. Holiday work destination क्या begin? Dubai.
I don't know. अभी उन्हें बताऊंगी मैं बाद में बताऊंगी.
Oh, strict professional.
हाँ.
Holiday destination. Holiday destination is London.
Wrong.
You're wrong.
I'm wrong with the holiday.
Yeah. Next. किसने
Second
हाथ
was
उठाया?
me. Second
Yeah.
was me. Please. Okay, so work is Dubai and holiday is wait, na, give me a second. Like Bangkok, Maldives types, beachy place.
Right.
Maldives.
I
Should I
never
say
said इसका आंसर श्योर नहीं था. I said
But
Bangkok, Maldives. I said Maldives.
लिया ना नाम तो
मेरे दिमाग
second
में
वाला
Maldives
मैं भी Maldives ही बोल रहा हूँ.
मेरे को लगा कि Maldives would be a very this answer
Dubai,
कभी जाके आए तो
both
इसे
वो
Maldives.
तो
हाँ.
एक्टिव करेक्ट होगा ना.
Point एक ही मिलता है ना but.
Okay, this is going to be very easy. In quarantine, my favorite game. Dingy.
Ludo.
Yeah.
Shit! I knew this.
My favorite horror web series.
What? Horror तो मतलब वही question ही out of horror.
I
Exactly.
picked my hand up.
You give up.
No, I picked my hand up. Let me answer something at least. Horror web series, though I think it is. Take stress in mind.
पास
4
देंगी पास ना
बस
नेक्स्ट ईशा
रियल में हॉरर ही है वो।
अभी ये क्या होता
ये
है
तुम्हारा क्लासिफिकेशन नहीं पता ना
इसलिए
horror
दैट
का।
इज व्हाई आई एम थोड़ा थिंकिंग
Because she gets scared with-
तुमको डर लगता है।
She gets scared with everything. एक अंधेरा का सीन भी आ गया तो that is not.
डर तो मुझे लग रहा है बट ऑफ कोर्स हॉरर का मतलब क्या होता है
तो गॉसिप भी हो सकता है। कोई ऐसा डार्क सीन आया तो
ऐसे नहीं यार
Vampire Diaries.
Now she's considering that also.
no she's close but not correct
Give me time.
yeah
Yeah.
something like
अपना वेब सीरीज है
Okay,
मूवी
wait.
मूवी तो नहीं बोल रही ना
हाँ,
तुम। अरे ट्वाइलाइट तो नहीं बोल रही ना।
हाँ।
What is
क्या है वो
मूवी है।
पायलट मेरे दिमाग में भी
मैं
आया
इसलिए बोली कि तुम क्लोज हो ना, मेरे को पता।
ट्वाइलाइट इज मूवी और नो
Vampire Diaries is
ट्वाइलाइट
हमने ये देखा था उसका
Oh shit, yeah, sorry.
तभी
तूने
Your question is deleted.
नहीं, तुमने
Every
अभी
question
बोला
gets
ना,
one point.
Sorry, ये क्वेश्चन
कट
ये क्या इतना टाइम वेस्ट किया उन लोगों का दिखा के, ये
ऐसे
क्वेश्चन
नहीं,
पास
ऐसे
थोड़ी
नहीं।
होगा। मेरे को पॉइंट
अच्छा, ठीक
अच्छा
है।
है।
मैंने
मैंने
Twilight
Twilight
get
get
one
one
नो
point.
हनी
इसके बदले में और एक क्वेश्चन देती हूँ मैं नेम 3 वेब सीरीज दैट आई सॉ बैक टू बैक
मेरा हाथ में था
बहुत 4 लोग ने चारों लोग उठाए hold it I will start with Dingy मुझे लगा कि वो उसने
तो
किया
इसको तो फिर
Okay.
सेकंड किसने दिया मेरे को दो ठीक है
All three she has to get correct.
Yeah, yeah.
तब तक आंसर मत बताना।
नहीं तो फिर
I
हमारा
can
पहले
say-
वाला राइट हो जाएगा क्योंकि ट्वाइलाइट मेरा आंसर
मैं
था
4 बोल सकती हूँ
Last 3 in a row ना.
या
You want order wise
यस
Dynasty Peaky Blinders Gossip Girl
It's wrong. I know it's wrong.
ओके नेक्स्ट
हाँ वो लड़की का कौन सा निकला
Sorry, we can't tell. Sorry.
Shit, I know
मैं next to ask
ए मम्मी आज मैं मेरे को नाम आ जाएगा
actually मैं गेम छोड़ के चली जाऊंगी.
हाँ where
मैं थर्ड थी.
यू विल ओनली गेट इट डोंट वरी
अरे इसको पता है.
बोले दो अभी क्या बोलूं मैं
तुमको चार दे रही हूँ वो काफी नहीं
Sorry, bro.
Where which वो क्या नाम है वो
My turn.
या
Okay, Dynasty,
Hmm.
4 more shots, and Gossip Girl. My turn. Please, my turn. My
It is
turn.
not 4 more
My
shots,
turn.
not in
ओके
the
मैं
list.
सबका आंसर सुनूंगी उसके बाद में बताऊंगी हां बोल
Never have I ever. Peaky Blinders, Gossip Girl.
नेवर
Wrong.
एवर क्या
Never have I ever. Never have I ever. Never have I ever.
हां ओके
Then Peaky Blinders. Then Gossip Girl.
I said proper Dynasty I
four
said
more shots you watch which we don't like. अरे
Dynasty
बीच में ना order continue
order Dynasty
order wise.
Peaky Gossip
सो डायनेस्टी के बाद में ये आया
Never
था
have I ever. 4 more shots.
फोमोशोस आया था
See, but वो
उसके
आखिरी
बाद
है ना.
में
तुमने
तुम्हारा
बोला
क्या?
recent से पीछे. तुमने बोला
अच्छा
recent last 3.
लास्ट रिसेंट देख सकते हैं तो फिर एक मिनट रुकना पड़ेगा अभी
Never have I ever.
अभी मैं देख रही हूँ क्या
Gossip Girl.
गॉसिप गर्ल
उसके पहले Peaky Blinders. Love the Frames.
पीकी ब्लाइंड
ठीक है. स्टोरी डाल रही थी तो. ठीक है. उसके पहले Never have I ever ही देखा.
but never have
उसके
I
पहले Dynasty.
I think Honey gets the point
to correct last
I
वाले में
get
एक
the
थी
point, guys. यार.
let's go ahead
Twilight भी मैं ही थी.
हाँ ट्वाइलाइट भी
never
करेक्ट
have I ever
उसके उससे अच्छा Twilight में पॉइंट दे देते मेरे को.
What rank did I score in the college 12th standard
you didn't complete your question as she raised
No, I know
what-
the answer. Second.
yeah she's right
even I know 3 marks से first miss हो गया
This story I
And-
so many times I have written in my head.
which is the
बे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
which is the game that we like to play and I'm very fond of. यार कैसे कर रहे हो तुम?
sports game है
बोलो.
badminton
Karen.
No, it's the game that we have played. I mean, it's the game that we have played.
okay okay I'm giving the answer
हाँ.
cricket
Wrong.
cricket हमने क्या खेला
Us.
I thought that
Which family
I
are you?
think wrong.
मैं next. Card tennis. Table tennis.
मैंने भी play table tennis it's cards no fish अभी मेरा turn है मेरा turn
Table tennis से close क्या है?
Air hockey. You're used to play in fun.
I think one last question we need because me and Khushi are tired right now.
So last question only for y'all both to decide the winner.
Yeah,
It'll be fair.
it'll be better.
It's 11.
What is my score?
One activity that you guys can do that I get hyper about.
One activity that we do that gets you pissed off.
Hyper.
Upset, happy, hyper. Cutting or coloring our hair.
No. Honey, you'll get it. I know the answer.
मैं हूँ अभी next. क्या?
कटिंग और कलरिंग में
नहीं।
सोच रही हूँ ना.
Please अपने answers decide करो यार. मैं next हुआ.
Yeah.
Tattoo.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Tattoo. Best daughter in the world, जाओ. ये रहा मेरा. Also guys, sorry in advance अगर आपका टीवी फट चुका है with our volume and our screaming. So sorry in advance, but you know who knows Park best now. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if by now, fingers crossed, we have hit 400k. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me give some shout outs.
She wanted to दिल और जान से for खुशी to win.
Yeah, of course.
नहीं इतना क्लोज आके यार. Come on.
So the two shout outs for today go to Anamika Pal and Rebecca Sanglao. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video telling me that you have. Please subscribe if you enjoy watching our videos. And we'll see you again next time. Bye!
You can sing that. I was